In this lesson, we're going to work on a map with decimal distances. So if we have a problem like this that says using the path shown, how far is Lindsay to Storybook? So how far is it from here to here? So to find the total distance, add up the paths. So what we would do is when you go from Lindsay to Charlotte, it's 5.2 kilometers. And then from here to Storybook, it's 7.3 kilometers. So to get the total distance, you have to add those numbers up. So 5.2 plus 7.3. Always remember to line up the decimal. And the answer is 12.5. So 3 plus 2 is 5, 7 plus 5 is 12. So the total distance from Lindsay to Storybook is 12.5 kilometers. And that's all there is to that problem. And don't worry if you don't understand that, you could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. I have links there to other videos that are similar to this. As well, you could download the ebook. In ebook, I have a link to this exact lesson and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.